Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. In this lesson, we will take the verb adalla. Adalla means he misguided. Remember, we are learning mazid fi. Mazid fi have extra letters in their 3-letter roots. For example, from alima to allama or as-salima to aslama and so on. To remember mazid fi, we have 3 sentences. What are they? Repeat after me. Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
And do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better return or better inqilab to Allah.
Do tadabbur and tadarus to have better inqilab to Allah.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Alim. Okay, we have learned 3-letter sound verbs like fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a, and weak verbs like wahaba, wa'ada, qala, zada. And also verbs with hamza like amara, sa'ala. And we are saying that the same thing happens in mazid fi also. So sound mazid fi are allama, hasaba, aslama. There are weak mazid fi verbs like walla, nada, aqama, alqa. Those verbs that we have learned so far. And all of these verbs like walla, nada, aqama, alqa, they have weak letters in them. Today we will take another verb which is adalla. Adalla means he misguided. Now this one has repeated root letters. This one has repeated root letters like dalala. From dalla means he got lost, he went astray. Okay, adalla means he misguided. So this is mazid fi, from dalla to adalla. And the rules are just like what you have done in dalla. Dalla, dallu, dalalta, dalaltu, dalaltum, dalalna. So whenever there is difficulty in saying, you cannot say dalta. There is no double sukoon in Arabic, so you cannot say dalta. So it is a split. Dalalta, dalaltu. Same form applies here. Same rule applies here. Adalla, adallu, adlalta, adlaltu, adlaltum, adlalna. All right, let us practice. Translate. Adalla,
he misguided.
Adallu,
They misguided.
Adlalta,
You misguided.
Adlaltu,
I misguided.
Adlaltum,
You all misguided.
Adlalna,
We misguided.
Of course, we are learning grammar. We are not stating what we believe or what we practice. So anyway, repeat after me 2 times. Adalla, adallu,
Adalla, adallu. Adalla, adallu.
Adlalta, adlaltu,
Adlalta, adlaltu. Adlalta, adlaltu.
Adlaltum, adlalna.
Adlaltum, adlalla. Adlaltum, adlalla.
Repeat with me. Bismillah.
Adalla,
adallu,
adlalta, adlaltu.
adlaltum,
adlalla.
Again.
Adalla,
adallu,
adlalta, adlaltu. Adlaltum, adlalla.
Alim. Let's take spoken Arabic. Nobody has misguided anyone. Let us say, so hal adalla, did he misguide? You will say ma adalla. You negate madi with ma. No, he did not misguide. Ma adalla. Hal adallu, did they misguide? You will say ma adallu. Okay, answer me. Hal adalla,
Ma adalla.
hal adallu.
Ma adallu.
Again, hal adalla,
Ma adalla.
hal adallu.
Ma adallu.
Alim. Now, did you misguide? Hal adlalta. You will say, no, I did not misguide. Ma adlaltu. Hal adlaltum. Did you all misguide? You will say, ma adlalna. No, we did not misguide. So when I say hal adlalta, you will listen silently without showing any hand or TPI. Only in response you will say ma adlaltu. Alright, answer me. Hal adlalta,
Ma adlaltu.
hal adlaltum,
Ma adlalla.
hal adlalta,
Ma adlaltu.
hal adlaltum.
Ma adlalla.
Alim. Now let us add a word ahadan. Ahadan means anyone. So if I say هل أضل, did he misguide أحدا, anyone? So you will say ما أضل أحدا. And أحدا will be there everywhere. Because أحد is object, it is أحدا. It is not أحد. هل أضل, did he misguide anyone, object. Who is that object? أحدا, anyone. Anyway, use أحدا everywhere. Answer me. هل أضل أحدا?
ما أضل أحدا.
هل أضلوا أحدا؟
ما أضلوا أحدا.
علم. Now between you and me, هل أضللت, did you mislead أحدا, anyone? You will say ما أضللت, I did not mislead أحدا, anyone, and so on. Answer me. هل أضللت أحدا؟
ما أضللت أحدا.
هل أضللتم أحدا؟
ما أضللنا أحدا.
Again, هل أضللت أحدا؟
ما أضللت أحدا.
هل أضللتم أحدا؟
ما أضللنا أحدا.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take mudari now. You know, adalla is on the pattern of aslama, right? Aslama yuslimu. Aslama yuslimu. So adalla will be yudillu. Yudillu. Okay? Yudillu, he misguides. And the rest of the forms will be following the same formula. Yudillu, yudilluna, tudillu, udillu, tudilluna, nudillu. Okay, translate. Yudillu, he misguides. Yudilluna,
They misguide.
Tudillu,
You misguide.
Udillu,
I misguide.
Tudilluna,
You all misguide.
Nudillu,
We misguide.
Again, repeat after me 2 times in Arabic. Yudillu, yudilluna.
يضل يضلون يضل يضلون
Tudillu, udillu.
تضل أضل تضل أضل
Tudilluna, nudillu.
تضلون نضل تضلون نضل.
Repeat with me. Bismillah.
يضل يضلون تضل أضل تضلون نضل.
Again.
يضل يضلون تضل أضل تضلون نضل.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take spoken Arabic. هل يضل, does he misguide? You will say لا يضل. Negation of mudari is with لا. لا يضل, he does not misguide. هل يضلون? لا يضلون. Alright. So answer me. هل يضل?
لا يضل.
هل يضلون?
لا يضلون.
Again. هل يضل?
لا يضل.
هل يضلون؟
لا يضلون.
علم. Alright, between you and me now, هل تضل, do you misguide? You will say لا أضل, I do not misguide. هل تضلون؟ لا نضل. Answer me. هل تضل؟
لا أضل.
هل تضلون؟
لا نضل.
Again. هل تضل؟
لا أضل.
هل تضلون؟
لا نضل.
علم. Okay, let us add the word al-qawma, the people. هل يضل القوم, does he mislead the people? So we will say لا يضل القوم, he does not mislead the people, and so on. So answer me. هل يضل القوم?
لا يضل القوم.
هل يضلون القوم؟
لا يضلون القوم.
Again. هل يضل القوم؟
لا يضل القوم.
هل يضلون القوم؟
لا يضلون القوم.
علم. Now I'm asking هل تضل, do you mislead القوم, the people? You will say لا أضل, I do not mislead القوم, the people, and so on. So answer me. هل تضل القوم؟
لا أضل القوم.
هل تضلون القوم؟
لا نضل القوم.
Again. هل تضل القوم؟
لا نضل القوم.
هل تضلون القوم؟
لا نضل القوم.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take Amr. Amr in Mazid Fi is very easy. From Allama, it is Allim, Hasaba, Hasib, and so on. Can you answer me? Allama,
علم.
Hasaba,
حاسب.
Aslama,
أسلم.
Ikhtalafa,
اختلف.
Istaghfara,
استغفر.
From Adalla, Adilla. Actually, it should be from Aslama, it is Aslim. So from Adalla, it should be Adil. But Adil, you don't have double sukoon in Arabic, so you say Adilla. like we did this in adalla yadillu dilla. Okay, dhanna yadhunnu dhanna. Same formula. Adalla adilla. Instead of saying adil, double sukun, no, adilla. And the plural is adillu, and so on. So adilla means misguide. Translate. Adilla,
misguide.
Adillu,
Misguide.
La tudilla,
Don't misguide.
La tudillu.
Don't misguide.
Repeat after me 2 times. Adilla, adillu.
Adilla, adillu, adilla, adillu.
La tudilla, la tudillu.
La tudilla, la tudillu, la tudilla, la tudillu.
With me, Bismillah. Adilla, adillu. La tudilla, la tudillu. Again. Adilla, adillu. La tudilla, la tudillu. Allim. Alright, let us take spoken Arabic. I say La tudilla, don't misguide. What will you say? La udillu, I do not misguide. La tudillu, don't misguide all of you. You will say La nudillu, we do not misguide. Answer. La tudilla.
La udillu,
La tudillu.
la udillu,
Again. La tudilla.
la udillu,
La tudillu.
la udillu.
Ali. Alhamdulillah. Now we take the fa'il and maf'ul of adalla. That's very simple. In mazid fi, again making fa'il maf'ul is very easy. From allama, muallim, muallam, aslama, muslim, muslim, and so on. So adalla will be mudil, mudal. Mudil, the one who misguides, and mudal, the one who is misguided. And idlal, like Islam, idlal, aslama, Islam, adalla, idlal, to misguide. Alright, adalla, idlal, idlal, to misguide. Okay, translate with actions. Mudil,
One who misguides,
mudal,
the one who is misguided,
idlal,
to misguide.
Okay, repeat after me 2 times. Mudil, mudal, idlal.
Mudil, mudal, idlal, mudil, mudal, idlal.
With me, Bismillah.
Mudil, mudal, idlal, mudil, mudal, idlal.
Alim. Alright, now we are left with 2 verbs. Adallat, tudillu. Huwa adalla, hiya adallat. She misguided. Huwa yudillu, hiya tudillu. She misguides. Answer me. Huwa adalla, hiya
Adallat,
huwa yudillu, hiya
tudillu.
Again. Huwa adalla, hiya
adallat,
huwa yudillu, hiya
tudillu.
Ali. Alhamdulillah. Now we have the whole table complete. So can you repeat the whole table with me? Bismillah.
Adalla, adallu, adlalta, adlaltu, adlaltum, adlalna. Yudillu, yudilluna, tudillu, udillu, tudilluna, nudillu. Adilla, adillu, la tudilla, la tudillu. Mudil, mudal, idlal.
And the last 2.
Adallat, tudillu.
Adallat, tudillu. Ali. Alright, now we have the 6 keys also ready with us. So can you repeat these keys after me? Adalla, yudillu, adilla.
Adalla, yudillu, adilla.
Mudil, mudal, idlal.
Mudil, mudal, idlal.
With me, Bismillah.
Adalla, yudillu, adilla. Mudil, mudal, idlal.
Ali. Somebody may say, why are you using double sukun here? Mudil. That is noun actually. In noun, we don't say the last word because it can be mudillun, mudillan, mudillin, and so on. That's why we use, in noun we have double sukun or whatever, but in verbs, no. So we cannot say adil, it is adilla. Alright, that was a side point. Now, I would say it's time for homework. Learn the table of adalla thoroughly and answer the questions. On the same pattern, we have another verb which is ahabba. He liked. Ahabba. So that's your homework to fill up the whole table for the verb ahabba. I will give you the forms. Ahabba, ahabbu, ahbabta, ahbabtu, ahbabtum, ahbabna. يحب يحبون تحب أحب تحبون نحب أحب أحب لا تحب لا تحب محب محب إحباب أحبت تحب. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the verb course. Verb course for Mazid Fi always have plus sign in them. Alhamdulillah. Again, lastly, to end with, don't forget the 7 types of homework. Learn from videos and or otherwise get one-to-one class. And the best way to learn is to teach. Download the PPDs, start teaching, and if you want teacher training, you can get that from understandquran.com. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Wa jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nastaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific, and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum